A study shows that there is a strange environment around us, in which there is a great void, a local void. All galaxies are basically not evenly distributed throughout the universe. They form filaments or clumps throughout the space. For example, the Milky Way Galaxy is part of a group of galaxies called the local group. Within the local group, there are tens to hundreds of galaxies that are gravitationally bound by one another. The local group itself is part of a supercluster that's called Virgo supercluster. However, further research suggests that there is a large mysterious area around the Virgo supercluster which only contains very few galaxies. This area is then called the Great Void. The Milky Way Galaxy itself resides on the edge of a huge cosmic void known as the local void, a mysterious cosmic valley. The local void is a very large cosmic region with a low density of matter. Here, galaxies are much rarer than in other parts of the universe. The diameter of this supervoid reaches up to 200 million light-years. Within that huge volume, there should be tens of thousands of galaxies spread out evenly. But research shows that there are only at least hundreds of galaxies that inhabit this vast space. One of the galaxies inside the local void is NGC 7077. Then, how can this supervoid be formed? One theory is that local voids could have formed as a result of the expansion of the universe. In the expansion of the universe that lasted for billions of years, cosmic space can experience expansion or stretching. When gravity causes galaxies to move towards each other, it will cause cavities to form. Areas that were previously densely packed can become more sparse as space stretches, creating a supervoid in the region. Research in 2007 shows that this void is expanding. It is based on a nearby dwarf galaxy that is moving away from the center of the void. The dwarf galaxy is moving away from the void at about 350 kilometers per second. If the galaxies around the void move faster, the weaker the gravity of this void. It means that this void is expanding. The expansion of this void also causes an increase in the speed of the Milky Way Galaxy. The distance of the Milky Way Galaxy to the local void is about 150 million light-years. Such a distance can affect the speed at which the Milky Way Galaxy moves. Currently, the Milky Way Galaxy is moving at a speed of 600 kilometers per second towards the center of the Laniakea supercluster, or commonly called the Great Attractor. So, the conclusion is that local voids are not going to engulf the Milky Way, but instead they are accelerating the galaxy's speed away from the center of the void.